Still handwriting labels for your entire class? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to create and print professional class labels directly from Google Sheets. Start by preparing your student list with names, classes, and other information. Then install Thermal Label Maker from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Open Thermal Label Maker directly inside Google Sheets. The add-on automatically detects your spreadsheet columns and placeholders. Set the label dimension for your bottles, lunchboxes, books, bags, and more. Create your label layout once using dynamic spreadsheet fields. Drag and drop spreadsheet fields directly into your label design. Preview labels instantly before generating the PDF. You can customize the font, text size, alignment, and style directly inside the editor. Format each field individually to create clean and readable labels for your students. When you switch rows in Google Sheets and click Preview, the label updates automatically with the selected student data. Generate a print-ready PDF label for the selected student. Before printing, select the correct label size in your printer driver settings. Choose your media dimensions and set the number of copies you want to print. Print labels using Zebra, Brother, Dymo, and other thermal printers. You can also save the generated PDF and reprint the same label anytime later. Repeat the process of the entire class in just a few minutes. Organize your entire classroom with fast, clean, professional labels. Start designing and printing class labels directly from Google Sheets today.